guys, welcome back to Living the Journey with Naomi. And on this channel, I talk about lifestyle, personal finance, travel, relatable issues, and explore the facets of everyday life that make us unique and the choices that express our individuality. Today, we delve into a topic that resonates with all of us, the merit of dressing appropriately and how it sends a powerful message to the world. I remember my mom used to say, "You shall be addressed the way you are dressed. Your clothes are your business cards. Your clothes display your trade. You can dress like a servant, you can dress like a royal, you can dress like a child, or simply naked. Your clothes sends messages to the world. What you put on says a lot about you. What you wear matters." So let me know in the comments down below, what is your thought about that quote? To me, dressing appropriately goes beyond mere fashion statements. It's a form of communication. It is a nonverbal cue that can speak volumes. Even before we utter a word, it's about context, culture, and the occasion. It's about respect for ourselves and for others. And when we dress appropriately, we are not only mindful of the setting, but we are also mindful of the expectations and the norms of our society. The clothes we wear can influence our mood, our confidence, and the way others perceive us. And they can be a reflection of our personality, our ambitions, and our values. Whether we're dressing for a job interview, a casual outing, or a formal event, our attire can set the tone for our interactions and open doors to new opportunities. In a world where first impressions are often lasting, dressing appropriately can be the key to making a positive impact. It shows that we are attentive and considerate, that we value the occasion and the company that we're in. So it's not about dressing expensively or extravagantly, but dressing suitably for the moment. Dressing appropriately is an art that reflects personal style while adhering to social norms and situational expectations. And you may say, "Naomi, well, how do I do this? What do you mean?" No problem. I have some tips to help you navigate the nuances of dressing well. So number one would be to understand the occasion. Whether it's a business meeting, a wedding, or a casual get-together, the event dictates the dress code. So research and ask about the expected attire to avoid underdressing or overdressing. And number two would be to know your environment. Consider the cultural, climatic, and professional environment. What works for a beach party won't necessarily work for a corporate office. Number three is fit is key. And what I mean by that is clothes that fit well are instantly more flattering and professional. So invest in tailoring if necessary to ensure your clothes complement your body shape. Number four would be to keep it neat, clean, pressed, and well-maintained clothing goes a long way in making a good impression. It shows attention to detail and respect for the occasion and the people that you meet. Number five will be to accessorize wisely. Accessories can elevate an outfit, but they should be chosen with care. A statement watch or a classic belt can add a touch of elegance without overwhelming your look. Number six will be quality over quantity, and I'm sure many of you guys have heard this multiple times. It's better to have a few versatile, high-quality pieces than a closet full of items that don't last or go out of style quickly. And number seven, which is very important, always be true to yourself, okay? Be true to yourself. While it's important to dress appropriately, don't lose your personal style. Let your clothes be an extension of your personality, but within the bounds of the dress code. Number eight will be to stay updated. Fashion trends can be transient, but staying updated helps you evolve your style sensibly. Incorporate new trends in small doses to keep your wardrobe current. Number nine is something I'm very big on, okay? Comfort matters, okay? So if you're not comfortable, it shows. Choose fabrics and cuts that allow you to move freely and confidently. And number 10, confidence is the best outfit you can ever wear. Do you hear me? Ultimately, no matter what you wear it with confidence. Confidence is compelling and it's the best way to ensure you always look appropriate. Always remember, dressing appropriately is not just about following rules. It's about expressing respect for yourself and others and feeling good in what you wear. It's a balance between personal expression and social etiquette, and when it's done right, it can make all the difference in how you perceive and how you perceive yourself. So dress not just for success, but for the journey of life. And as I wrap up today's episode on Living the Journey with Naomi, let's remember that our dressing is a silent yet eloquent messenger to the world. It's an art that, when mastered, can enhance our journey through life, creating a harmonious blend of self-expression and social harmony. So the next time you select an outfit, think about the message that you want to send. And dress not for the moment, but for the journey. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, keep living your journey with style and substance. Remember, your wardrobe is not a collection of clothes. It's a curated gallery of your life stories. So until then, dress well and live well.